roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include
Bad timing.
Chillicothe, Princeville, Rome, Dunlap, Williamsfield, West Jersey, Laura, Elmore, Chickasaw, Duncan, Mossville, Alta, and Monica. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 88 and 89.
Totally uncalled for.
I want to hear. Because he's.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Stark County, east central Knox County, northern Peoria County, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:31 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located from near Victoria southeast to Dunlap, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Peoria, Chillicothe, Princeville, Rome, Dunlap, Williamsfield, West Jersey, Laura, Elmore, Chickasaw, Duncan, Mossville, Alta, and Monica. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 88 and 89.
Well, there it goes.